Are you looking for a resin that's just right for your projects? This resin is called OcePor, the resin that checks quite a few boxes. Like most resins, it comes with instructions in English and in Spanish. To open it, there are these little sealers that just pop out. I love this method so much better than opening the seal with scissors or something else sharp. Popping this off is just clean and simple. Easy to mix with a simple 1-to-1 ratio, so you spend less time measuring and more time creating. So if you want 10 milliliters of resin, measure 5 milliliters of part A and 5 milliliters of part B. It mixes super easy. It's not super thick and it won't take so much wrist work to stir. If you're on your own resin journey, I'm sure you know that sometimes the wrist work seems to just go on forever. It takes color beautifully, making every project pop with rich, true tones. Just look at this purple, isn't it so pretty? And with little to no bubbles, your projects come out smooth and flawless. No need for time-consuming adjustments. This is some of my work with the resin. For all your creative needs, you can choose OcePor Resin. Quality resin, affordable price, and endless possibilities.